You've got a powerful AI model, but it doesn't speak your language, your industry's language, your company's tone, your domain's terminology. That's where fine-tuning comes in. I'm Rob from Infosec Fortress, and today we're unpacking what fine-tuning actually means, and when you should and shouldn't use it. Fine-tuning is the process of taking a pre-trained model, one that's already been trained on massive general datasets, and doing additional training on a smaller, domain-specific dataset. You're not building a model from scratch, you're adjusting the existing weights to make the model better at a specific task or domain. Think of it like this: the base model went to a 4-year university and got a general education. Fine-tuning is like sending it to a specialized graduate program. It already knows how language works. Now you're teaching it the specifics of, say, medical terminology, legal language, or cybersecurity frameworks. Technically, you prepare a data set of input-output pairs that represent the behavior you want. The model trains on these examples, updating its weights through the same backpropagation process used in pre-training, but with a much smaller learning rate, so it doesn't forget everything it already knows. This is sometimes called catastrophic forgetting, and managing it is one of the key challenges. There are also parameter-efficient fine-tuning methods like LoRA, low-rank adaptation, that only update a small subset of the model's weights. This dramatically reduces compute cost and makes fine-tuning accessible even on consumer hardware for smaller models. Fine-tuning matters when you need consistent, domain-specific behavior that prompt engineering alone can't achieve. If you need a model that always responds in a certain format, uses specific terminology correctly, or handles niche tasks reliably, fine-tuning can get you there. But here's the thing: most people get wrong. Fine-tuning is not for injecting new knowledge. If you want the model to know about your company's documents, RAG is the better approach. Fine-tuning is for changing behavior and style, not for teaching facts. Before you fine-tune, ask yourself 3 questions. First, can I solve this with better prompting? Often you can. Second, do I have enough high-quality training data? You typically need hundreds to thousands of examples. Third, do I have the infrastructure and budget to manage a custom model? Fine-tuned models need maintenance, evaluation, and retraining as requirements change. For most small businesses, the answer is, start with prompt engineering, add RAG if you need private data access, and only fine-tune if you've hit the limits of both. Fine-tuning is a powerful tool in the right context, but it's not a silver bullet. Understanding when to use it, and when not to, will save you time, money, and headaches. Hit subscribe if you want more no BS AI breakdowns. See you next time.